the biggest thing is just the atmosphere of the learning environment. I think being able to get on the ice and participate, a lot of hands-on learning, that's one of the things that really attracted me to this program. It has a proven track record. Number one, the alumni is definitely something that they should be very proud of. Not only that, but the hands-on learning and the learning environment that you have here is very direct. So if you want to be, not only improve yourself, but improve the way you look at the game of hockey or any other sport for that matter, it could really open your eyes to new opportunities and a new way of thinking.
If you're interested in team sport, especially ice hockey, I think that there is great teachers that can provide you with great information for your future as a coach, manager, or anyone who will work in sport industry.
Yeah, I think if your passion is sport and all the things what I related to sports like management, like strength and conditioning coach, or like ice hockey coach, or also different sports, I think it's like a great further step to be better in your area and also develop yourself as a person.
I recommend this program to everyone who is interested in sports coaching and management, and especially in ice hockey coaching, because many things over here are related to ice hockey, and especially the teachers has a huge experience in ice hockey. As I can mention, maybe Mika Saarinen, former ice hockey coach who was coaching KHL and Liga as well, so the top European leagues, and it's really unforgettable experience.
It doesn't really matter where you are in your career, whether you're experienced or less experienced. If you're willing to level up your coaching and become a better professional, never hesitate to apply to HaagaHelia. It was a life-changing experience for me, and there's a long journey in front of me, and I'm really looking forward to that.